ACL injuries come back incredibly more so than they were before. You had Nick Chubb, missed only 4 games a year ago when he had an MCL, so we'll see how the timetable works for Jarvis Landry.
Just like what we heard from Stefanski, they will work their tails off to get back in the game for sure. All right, JT, thank you for the latest.
One of you watching right now could become a millionaire later on tonight. There is no winning ticket for either of this weekend's Powerball jackpot or Mega Millions. The Powerball jackpot is now a cool $472 million with a cash option of $342 million, which we will gladly take. Of course, the next drawing is tonight. Meantime, the Mega Millions jackpot is up to $432 million after there was no winning ticket from last Friday's drawing. The next Mega Millions drawing is set for tomorrow night. So if you're playing, we always say this, good luck.
Yeah, good luck, because, what the odds are just so crazy, that's for sure. Well, hopefully we won the lottery in the weather department.
We hit the weather lottery for sure today.
Yes,
80s again.
Very nice.
That's incredible. I mean, we're talking temps at least a dozen degrees above normal. And then, of course, fall arrives.
Soon, very soon.
And you know what happens then, because it is most definitely right on schedule with the forecast. What a beautiful sky this morning if you were up to see it. And the webcam out there at North Canton Faith Family Church, look at that gorgeous red color. It looks really incredible. Downtown, you can actually get a peek at that as well from the Science Center webcam. But this is a motion of the time-lapse, and you can see some high-level clouds eventually lowering, thickening. That's what's happening out there right now. And we're going to have a few showers shake loose perhaps tonight. I don't think that we're looking at a deluge just yet, but that will change. These clouds right now are fairly thin. You can actually see some breaks in the overcast out here in Lorain. Winds are blowing out of the south, and those south winds tugging our temperatures well into the 80s today. Next weather system right here, this front getting active, thunderstorms ahead of it, and even severe weather watch boxes we'll look at here in a moment. South wind 10 mile an hour winds at Hopkins Airport. The lakefront south winds 14 and a 14 mile an hour wind at Mansfield. So those have aided and abetted our warm temperatures, and of course higher humidity levels. Can really feel that water vapor, that juice. The dew points are way up, but it's still taking a little time for the air to moisten up out here. Along the I-75 corridor, Lima up to Toledo, there are some light rain showers falling right now. Nothing compared to the deluge that's on the way, but other than that, it is fairly quiet. 80 right now at Willoughby, same at Kirtland, 82 Richmond Heights, Shaker Heights checks in at 80, as does Twinsburg, Hudson and 81, Stowe into the upper 70s now, 79, Fairlawn the same, and out at Avon, 79, we're looking at an 80 in Massillon right now, so those toasty temperatures not normal for the month of September this late in the season, although we still have another day of summer left, one more day before fall arrives. 74, the normal high this time of the year. So with temps well into the 80s, that is an anomaly for sure. Record high is 92, sundown 7:26 as we lose 3 more minutes of daylight. Overnight lows upper 60s to near 70 with higher humidity values. Of course, temperatures don't drop as precipitously. Well into the 70s again tomorrow, so we'll definitely cool off. A good 8 or 10 degrees cooler. Right now it's 82 at Hopkins. Thundery weather. A tornado watch box just issued with some spin in the atmosphere in northern Wisconsin. Meantime, a squall line firing up along that cold front. This will be our next weather maker. There could be a few rumbles with this. Really, the big weather story is all the rain that is going to fall. You'll see a couple of gushes of moisture. You'll need your umbrella tomorrow morning. The afternoon hours, all through the evening, look fine. But then this is the main, this is like the lion's share of precipitation. A good gush of moisture here going into Wednesday evening and early Thursday. Rainfall amounts are hefty. These values upwards of 2 or 3 inches of rain over northwest Ohio especially, and we'll show you the maps. Boy, this is a rise in the probability of precipitation. Look at that, Tuesday night into Wednesday, and Wednesday is our soaker. That is for sure. A couple of troughs of low pressure that will come in. Here's the first one for the first day of fall, and then another cool down later in the weekend. We'll see how it all plays out. Here's a look at our Fox 8-day forecast, and we're looking at a high of 77 tomorrow, mid-60s tomorrow night as the rain comes down, and it will be heavy at times in buckets. 66, 64 on Thursday as rain tapers off by afternoon. Several days in the 60s, in fact. Saturday's high 69, some showery weather late, and I think we're in for dry weather. This looks like a great Friday night touchdown. Week number 6, another beautiful night for football.
We have been so lucky.
Enjoy it. We have, and we've been lucky.
And for the Browns game on Sunday, too.
Absolutely.
Thank you, AJ. The FBI swarms the home of missing man Brian Laundrie 1 day after remains believed to be his fiancée were recovered. We'll have the latest on the investigation and the new twist we just now learned.
All I remember is while fighting one of the guys, that's when I heard the gunshots.
Shot 3 times. How you can help police track down the gunman who robbed a Dollar Tree and left the clerk for dead.